Hello, we are going to download the income statement from MyGov. Let's start with the Android device, then we will be doing same thing from the iPhone.
So please go to login.my.gov.au and you will see a screen like this, and you will put your username and password and you sign in. You will receive the verification code on the text message. Copy, paste. Then I'm logged in, and we are going on the linked services. So Australian Taxation Office, we click here. Then we are going on the view my income statement. And financial year 2024-25, we can click on the drop down bit menu here. We'll see all the details. Click on print friendly version. It will open a window like this one. Then click on print and you will see the option to save as a PDF. It will say save as a PDF. Otherwise you can change from the drop down menu here. Click on save as PDF. Then you click on PDF. You can make a new folder, home loan. Okay, and name of the file, income statement, your name and name of the company, so that we will find out which company is this one. You might have multiple company. So this is how we save the income statement.
Click on sign in. We will put your username and password for the MyGov account. And we will go to the linked services. We go Australian Taxation Office, and we will be going view my income statement. Also we can check your super here. The super balance, which we'll need on the fact find form. So we click on income statement. So in this case there are three income statements available for 2024-25. So we'll show you one. So we'll click the first one, and we will be click on the print friendly version. Then we will click on the print icon on the top, and you will see the screen like this. We can see two pages here, in which we need to share as a PDF. Then we have another share button here, and we use mail. So we use the email to send the email. That's my email, and so I will be sending from different email address. Hi, please find my income statement. That's all guys, thank you. As you can see, there is a PDF file.